So let's say you're doing a southpaw now, so we're here. The little window is somewhere here. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle people. Today we have got a very cool tutorial for you, very visual one today. I've got a really cool idea on how you guys can understand visually how I get that whip with my rope on certain types of moves, and hopefully get you guys a lot more speed with your skipping game and some certain types of moves and combinations. All right, so stick around for this. A little bit of a quirky video, but it kind of helps to show what I kind of mean about how you whip the rope. Now, certain types of moves do require this type of action, sometimes it doesn't, but just give it a go, especially if you're a beginner and trying to look for a bit of speed. As I always say, it's not in the arms when you are trying to make really quick movements or actions with the rope. When it comes to doing side swing crosses or southpaw opens, all this kind of moves we're about to get into, it is not about big movements here, taking your arm away from your body. It's all in the hands and the wrists. So we'll get straight into this, peeps. I might need my lovely assistant here, Nathan, to come on board in a second. But we're going to try and teach you this from a kind of drawing perspective, right? Now, when I talk about wrist action, and when we get into the side swing crosses and the southpaw moves I'm going to show you in a minute, it's all about how you move your thumbs and your hands. So, what am I trying to explain? Marker pen, you don't need this, by the way. You don't need to get a whiteboard or anything like this. I want to show you a couple of techniques, right? So I'm going to show you the side swing cross, and I'm going to show you the southpaw open, right? And what action you're trying to get with your wrist. Let's get Nathan in here. Welcome, Nathan.
Thank you for having me.
All right, no problem, man. Thank you for recording this video and doing such good editing work for us. All right, so side swing cross, all right? I'm actually left-handed, but I'm gonna do this with my right hand just to make it easy for you. So when you're doing a side swing cross, people, you wanna have this feeling, all right? This is really weird, right?
Yeah.
It's quite an interesting video.
I don't know if this is in focus.
Let's just hope you guys can see this. All right, so this is the action, okay? Imagine skipping rope, okay? Thumb down the handle like this. This is what we're doing to try and get that whip, okay? So when you're bringing the rope around, it's like this, okay? I can do that again, like that. So as you can see, hopefully, is we're trying to get this action where we really bring that rope down and around us, okay? Like when we're trying to do this cross now. Obviously there will be some arm movements that come across your body to get this move done, but when you want this whip, you want this wrist action to do the same thing. So here, boom, like that. Alternatively, or similarly, when you come in to do the southpaws now, southpaw, we open the rope, we whip it open. So we come from the one side here and we whip it open. So then you're gonna guess what's gonna happen here. So we're gonna go now this way. So we're just gonna open it like that. Like that. Yeah, and that feeling where you drag the rope has to happen at a split second. You're not trying to drag it from here all the way down here. It's you're bringing the rope around and then boom, just a little flick like that. And these are the kind of movements you want. So side swing cross, boom, boom. And then southpaw open is gonna go the other way. All right, you may leave.
With the board?
Yeah, you might take the board actually. We're ready to start some skipping. All right, thank you, Nathan, for the great assistant work. All right, so we're gonna show this now in action. So we're gonna just go nice and slow, okay? Side swing cross. So if you're going quickly, for example, and you're just doing like a run cross, and you wanna go slowly, it's like this, this, and then now with that whipping action, okay, just like that. One more time. It's really important, people, when you're thinking about doing this at speed, is again, the box or the sort of timing zone to get the speed right. And the reason why I kind of got the marker and the board there, because you can see that actually the first flow is quite slow, or it's kind of like natural speed, and then you really have to then let the wrist go for a little swoosh. It doesn't happen from here, like I keep saying. Yeah, it looks like I'm going fast, and a lot of beginners when they're doing this in a gym, sometimes they tag me on videos, they want that fast feeling because they think that they're going faster because of all the excessive big arm movements and the noise the rope makes. But really you want that swoosh to happen like that. There's a little window you got to think about, a little window of speed, and that kind of happens when my hand kind of comes across my belly button like that. So it doesn't come again from here lightly to trip and obviously not make it look slick and effortless, the window comes there. And that's when you let the feet kind of catch up with the hands, and we can get that really nice, quick and easy action. The second move was the southpaw. So the southpaw, like I said, we're having that feeling now where we've got that paintbrush, that marker pen, and it's coming across us like this. Nice little action here. So let's say you're doing a southpaw now. So we're here. The little window is somewhere here, somewhere around your sort of sternum, torso, belly button, wherever you want to call it. Doesn't happen from the side. Another awkward way of doing this move that we don't really want you guys to learn it like that, because again, tires you out. I'm already out of breath. You want to make it look really natural, fluid. You can have it in a little combo, little double here. And it just kind of fits really nice and easy, which is how you want to execute these moves. Nice and fluid, loose wrist, loose grip, zero tension, flick of the wrist. That makes sense? More or less. Nathan's nodded his head. I think the marker idea was the one. Just give it a go, guys, please. Don't need to get any board markers, don't need to get any marker pens out there, just a little visualization. Hopefully it helps you. Drop this video a big thumbs up, that'd be really useful for me and this channel, help us grow, get more and more people into this community, get more and more people fit, healthy, enjoying their cardio sessions, and flying boss as always. Remember, hit the links down below, cop yourself some cool ropes, cool mats, and cool apparel, and I'll see you in the next video. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.